Hi, welcome to the District Technology Training Site, Website Development. My name is Don Bierschbach and I will be guiding you through the District Technology Training website tutorial. Let's get started. We'll be using a free website builder called Yola. Please type in www.yola.com. Follow the prompts on the screen to create a new account. Please create your account, type in your full name, your email address, confirm your email, and type a password. Get started now. You have now created your account. When you have created your account and signed in, you'll see the following message. Create a new site. Click on this arrow. When you click Create New Site, you'll be taken to the Create a New Site page like the one below. You'll be directed to name your site and select a category. I have named this site Teacher Website and selected the Education category. After completing these two items, I selected the Build It tab outlined in blue. This is what your basic site looks like. Now it's time to start customizing it. Brings you to your next screen, which gives you about 7 or 8 options for a layout of your site. I've highlighted them here. Please choose one that suits your fancy. Once you've done that, we will add some basic text. If you go to the text box in the right hand side, double click and you'll be taken to a text box that looks similar to this one right here. Please keep in mind, remember, do not import and cut and paste text directly from words like MS Word, email, or other web pages, because they are formatted differently and they will make your website look strange. Okay, you have a standard type text box where you type all your text in, and you also have your text editing tools, which are very similar to ones you'd find in Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office or any of the other standard word processing programs. Okay, in order for your website, a couple more important issues to keep in mind when you're creating your website. Please load all your documents, pictures, documents, videos, logos, images, all into one folder. In this case, I've named it Home. Keep your web pages simple. Do not create long pages. More pages that are shorter in length are easier to navigate and easier for people to understand. Tab them. In this case, we have a home page, a soccer news page, a stadiums page, a cities page, and a links page. Learn from looking at other web pages, things that you like, things that you just don't like, things that strike you as funny. Make sure your website is easy to read. Use font styles, colors, and sizes. Stick to common and professional web faces like Arial, Helvetica, Georgia, Veranda. Don't use fancy ones like Comic Sans. They may not be available on everyone's computer, unless you're a comic strip artist, of course, in which case Comic Sans is appropriate. Additionally, stick to 1 or 2 typefaces. Understanding and working with images, which we'll go into in more detail in our next section. But the basics of images: smaller is better. 72 dpi is fine for web images. As I just stated, smaller is better. The smaller your web page, the smaller the footprint, the faster your page will load, and the less frustrating people will get. Okay. Now that brings us to the question I know you've been wanting to ask. How do I get my website on the internet? In this case, how do I publish my website? Yola makes it very simple. In the upper page, part of the page, you'll see a green box highlighted in red here. It says publish to the web. Click publish to the web. When you push publish to the web, it says congratulations, your site has been published to the web. Make note, this is the website's address. Please write it down or bookmark it for future reference. Remember that you can go to this site, open your web page after signing in, and change it or add or delete or do anything you'd like to at any time. Anyways, now it's time for you to start. Good luck, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at mrbhistory@yahoo.com. Thanks.